Hey there, welcome back to my channel, where I bring you the latest and most efficient tools for your welding projects. In today's video, we'll be exploring the world of spot welders. Whether you're a professional welder, a day enthusiast, or a metalworking hobbyist, you're in the right place. I've handpicked the top 5 spot welders for 2023 that offer precision, power, and reliability. Links to all the spot welders mentioned can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the best tools for your welding needs. Let's dive into the world of cutting-edge spot welders. Starting at number 5, Digisix 800 and 1-hour spot welding. The Digisix spot welding machine is a specialized tool for welding lithium iron phosphate batteries, 18,650 lithium batteries, and other similar materials. Weighing 3.5 kilograms and with dimensions of 67,176,126 millimeters, this spot welder provides portability and ease of use. The Spot Welder's 3,500 rated capacity and peak power of 19.8 ensure high-performance welding of lithium batteries, copper sheets, and pure nickel with precise control. One of its standout features is the ability to weld lithium iron phosphate batteries, making it a valuable tool for battery pack assembly and repair. The Digisix spot welding machine's pulse time adjustment, ranging from 0 milliseconds to 20 milliseconds, allows for versatile welding on materials with different thicknesses. For potential buyers working with lithium batteries and requiring a compact and efficient spot welder, the Digisix spot welding machine offers reliability and performance for spot welding applications. At number 4, Welders BixPG's 2700-0012 Spot Welder. The Welders Spot Welder is a robust and powerful dent repair tool designed for various spot welding tasks. With a maximum output current of 3,500 it ensures efficient and precise spot welds on automotive body panels and similar materials. This spot welder's weight of 55 pounds, 25 kilograms, and dimensions of 19x12, 5x12, 49x32x31 cm make it a sturdy and compact tool suitable for both professional repair shops and die enthusiasts. The Welders Spot Welder's instant power of 2Co and 230 V voltage compatibility guarantee quick and reliable spot welds, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Its yellow color and new condition reflect its durability and high-quality construction. The 20 fuse 110 V is 30 fuse, protects the welder and ensures safe operation. For potential buyers in need of a heavy-duty and efficient spot welder for automotive repair or dent removal, the Welders Spot Welder offers a reliable solution that delivers professional results. At number 3, Reboot MIG150 MIG Welder. The Reboot MIG Welder is a feature-packed 8-inverter welder designed for MIG, and arc welding applications. With a weight of 10 kilograms and dimensions of 500 and 3,138 centimeters, it strikes a balance between portability and performance. This welder's wire feeding speed and output voltage range of 3,150 allow for precise control over the welding process, ensuring clean and consistent welds on various materials and thicknesses. The Reboot MIG Welder's 8-inverter technology offers stable and efficient welding performance, making it suitable for both die enthusiasts and professional welders. The 220 voltage compatibility adds to its versatility and ease of use. Whether you're working on mild steel, stainless steel, or aluminum, this welder's MIG, and arc functions provide you with the flexibility to handle a wide range of welding tasks. For potential buyers in need of a reliable and multifunctional welder for MIG, and arc welding, the Reboot MIG Welder is a valuable tool that combines performance, quality, and affordability. At number 2, Sunco 737 grams plus Spot Welder. The Sunco Spot Welder is a powerful and efficient tool designed specifically for lithium battery welding. Weighing 7 kilograms and featuring compact dimensions of 140,245,200 millimeters, this spot welder offers portability and convenience. With a maximum welding thickness of 0.35 millimeters, it provides reliable spot welding for various battery configurations. The adjustable pulse time, ranging from 8 milliseconds to 80 milliseconds, allows for precise control over the welding process, making it suitable for different battery materials and thicknesses. The Spot Welder's versatility is further enhanced by its automatic spot welding and foot pedal control welding modes. Users can choose the mode that best suits their welding preferences and needs. The Sumco Spot Welder's robust construction and high welding current capacity of 120 to 1,200 ensure that it can handle heavy-duty spot welding tasks with ease. Its dual voltage options of 110V and 220V add to its adaptability for various power supplies. For potential buyers seeking a specialized spot welder for lithium battery welding, the Sumco Spot Welder is a reliable and efficient choice that meets the demands of battery pack assembly and repair. At number 1, Andeli 220V Welding Machine. The Andeli welding machine is a versatile 3-in-1 welding tool that combines lift TIG, and gaseless MIG capabilities in a single package. With its U-plug, it's ready to use for household welding tasks. The welder's compact dimensions of 410,300,320 millimeters make it easily portable and suitable for various work environments. The arc current of 130 provides sufficient power for welding a wide range of materials, including steel, stainless steel, and copper. Its user-friendly design and semi-automatic operation make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced welders. The Andeli welding machine stands out for its reliable performance and stable arc, ensuring precise and clean welds. Whether you're working on home-day projects or professional repairs, this welding machine delivers consistent results. One noteworthy feature is the gaseless MIG capability, which allows for flux cord welding without the need for shielding gas. This makes it an ideal choice for outdoor or on-the-go welding tasks. For potential buyers looking for a compact and versatile welding machine that offers lift TIG, and gaseless MIG capabilities, the Andeli welding machine is a valuable addition to any workshop or garage.